How to connect X Card to the ELLIPAL app and send a transaction. Firstly, open the ELLIPAL app. Then tap Cold Wallet. Choose X Card. Enter your X Card PIN code. Hold your X Card close to your phone's NFC area to scan. Select coins you want to use and tap Complete to connect. Your X Card is now connected to the ELLIPAL app. Send transactions. Tap Send to transfer assets. Choose or search the coin or token to send. Enter recipient's address, then tap Submit. Confirm transaction details, then tap Next. Enter your X Card PIN and hold it near your phone's NFC to sync. The transaction is completed.